If you drive a Chevy Colorado, you know how fast factory seats get wrecked by spills, dirt, pets, and daily grind. Good seat covers save your interior and your wallet. Today I am breaking down some of the best seat covers for Chevy Colorado. Links to every product are waiting for you in the video description. Starting with number 5, EKR seat covers bring a straight-up luxury vibe to your Colorado. These are custom tailored so they fit tight like factory seats, not loose and sloppy. The solvent-free leather feels soft but still holds up against spills, stains, and daily abuse. Reviews love the clean look and waterproof protection, and real-world use proves they are solid for families, pets, and long road trips. Installation is surprisingly easy, and everything works with airbags and seat controls. Number 4 is the Covercraft Carhartt Seat Saver, and yeah, this one is built like a work jacket for your truck. The duck weave fabric is tough, triple-stitched, and treated to repel water. People who haul gear, hit job sites, or live an outdoor lifestyle swear by these. They are machine washable, easy to install, and protect against mud, grime, and spills without trying to look fancy. This is pure function with classic rugged style. At number 3, rough country neoprene seat covers hit a sweet spot between comfort and protection. The 4-layer construction adds padding while keeping spills and stains away. Neoprene stays breathable, which drivers appreciate on long rides, especially with kids or pets in the back. Reviews often mention the factory-like look and snug fit. In everyday use, these covers are great for active lifestyles where messes happen, but comfort still matters. Coming in at number 2, CTDS seat covers offer wide ear compatibility and a sporty leather look. The material resists scratches, wipes clean fast, and handles water without stress. Drivers like the breathable design that cuts down on heat and sweat during summer drives. Practical use shows these are solid for families and pet owners who want easy cleaning without sacrificing style. Airbag compatibility and clear install instructions are a big plus. And number 1 is LUCKYMAN Club, a favorite for front seat protection with a clean OEM style fit. The faux leather is padded and comfy, headrests are fully covered, and the design keeps everything looking neat. Reviews highlight how easy they are to clean and how well they hold up to daily use. For commuters who want simple, good-looking protection without overthinking it, these get the job done. That wraps it up for the best seat covers for Chevy Colorado. Check the links in the video description to see current prices and details. If this helped you out, smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for more truck upgrades and honest reviews.